Okay guys, here's a little fun game you guys can play with your friends. A little carpentry trick. And the game is how many nails can you balance on this the head of this one nail without touching the wood board there. So ultimately 90% of the people are going to pick this style setup or try and lay something on the side, maybe get one or two on there. But really you can get several. I'm just going to find out about how many I can get, just really without even trying. So you want to take your nail, lay it down, you're going to lay up alternating rows of nails. And so basically these heads want to grab onto a strategically placed top nail and allow you to lift these nails into the air. And there you have it. So as you can see, got several rows. I've got the 2 top and bottom, and then I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. So 17 nails, easily balanced, and I could probably squeeze in another couple. So very cool little game you guys can play with your friends. Check it out, try it out, show your kids. It's pretty fun. See you guys.